Hey guys, it's Karina, and I'm so sorry if you can hear the dryer because the dryer's going, and yeah. So today we're gonna be cleaning my room, and it's really bad. Like, you can kind of see in the background like a little bit, but like in front of me, it's not okay. And I like already cleaned some of this. Like, if you guys would have seen like the before, you definitely would have unsubscribed because it was so bad. Like, you see there's floor right there. Like, before there was no floor, it was just clothes everywhere, and I literally had like this corner in my room of just like school supplies. Also, it is currently 1:38 in the morning, and I decided that I would film this just now. I love that I do this to myself. I've been eating some raspberries, so I'm gonna show you guys the before right now, but I'm gonna take a thumbnail picture after, so it's gonna look a little different. But I wanted to like be authentic and real and raw and show you guys what it actually looks like. This is when you walk into my room. See, you can see floor. Sorry, there's a bunch of burn marks on my carpet because I burnt it from my curling iron. I also cleaned off this area, and then I just have like a bunch of bathing suits over there. These are clean clothes that I have to put up. And then I have that mess over there. Yes, I still have my balloons from my birthday. That was like a couple weeks ago. Oops. I have this mess. Here's my bed. I also don't have a dress skirt that you put on your box spring. Well, I had one, but then I lost it, so we just have a box spring. That's super cute, I know. And I don't have a bed or a headboard. Need to get one of those. But that's a sweater, and then I just have that. This over here I already cleaned, so it looks nice and neat-ish. This looks like a mess. This is not a room tour. I don't know why I'm going in detail. This heater's only here because my room's like really cold and it's really ugly, but I kind of need it. Lovely. This just looks, you know, we have a nice mess. All the clothes and bags are like clothes that I want to get rid of. Literally, that bag right there has just a bunch of shoes that I don't want. Same with that one. And I have a bunch of jeans in here. Mess. This is my closet. It's really, literally so small. I'm just going to take all these like bags that already have clothes in them that I know I don't want and put them in the guest room / my brother's room, even though my brother doesn't even live here. And I'm supposed to put them in the garage, but I am too scared to go down there because it's like almost 2 a.m. If you guys are interested in buying any of my clothes, because I have like multiple bags and I have clothes in my closet that I still want to sell. If you guys are interested in buying any of my clothes or shoes, then comment down below, because I don't want to post all of them on Poshmark and then no one buy anything, you know what I mean? Something just dripped on me. Oh my god. What was that? Oh my god, that smells so bad. Oh, this is just not going well. We're moving on to laundry. This isn't even half of it. I still have more in there, but we're just gonna do a little bit at a time. So I have bathing suit bottoms. These are all my bathing suits. Over here I have some belts that need a bigger thing because it's overflowing. I'm just gonna try to stuff them all in here. Half these bathing suits I don't even like or wear. Just gonna add some more bathing suits to that. Throw that over there. So now we're gonna get to folding all of this goodness. So we're done folding now, so now I'm going to put everything up in these drawers. My sock drawer is just a mess. I have these clothes that I'm going to hang up, but I don't know if I showed you guys the clothing rack, but all these are probably going to be on the clothing rack, so I'm just going to leave those there, and then I have to hang this up in my closet. I'm so... I feel like I've made no progress.
Hey guys, it's Karina. Oh my god. I just went to a whole other dimension.
I think I overdid it with the helium. so many shoe boxes and I feel like they're good for storage, but I just don't feel like having them in my room. They're just taking up too much space. Ow. So scared this is gonna be so loud. Oh. That was anticlimactic. I finished my raspberries. So I have this big bin and it has just a bunch of jeans and like pants in it. I'm just gonna transfer all my jeans into here. Okay, I have all my jeans in here and I should have like color organized them or something, but I didn't. So I just threw a bunch of my shoes over here. Hopefully there's room for more shoes because there's more in my closet that I never wear. So yeah.
Enjoy.
Don't have enough room for the rest of my shoes in my closet, so that sucks. Oh. So basically now I just have to take all those clothes and put them down here, but I'm just not going to record that. Some like clothes that I need to clean up, so I will show you guys that in a little bit. So here's my room all clean. Sorry, don't mind that. My fan, I don't know why that's super long. It's really weird, but this is like as clean as it's gonna get. Oh, also I didn't vacuum because It was super late and I didn't want to wake everyone up, so I like vacuumed a little bit, but then I stopped. Here's my dresser all nice and clean. I have my swimsuits. I put my blankets up and I like folded them. And then I have my bed. The bench, it doesn't have a bunch of shoes underneath it, so that's great. My side table, which is, you know, the vitamins are really just killing the aesthetic. This, oh, that's not supposed to be there. I have that. The heater really kills the aesthetic, but like I said, I kind of need it. My empty trash can. This is like the only time you'll see that empty. Here's my desk. I have my clothing rack that I did, and then all my shoes, or as much shoes as I could fit on there. This is basically all the clothes that was on like my bottom rack, and I just put it all on here. My closet, I just have like wintery clothes here, and then I just moved some down there. Basically, I just have a bunch more shoes underneath those clothes, but I like never wear them, so it's whatever. Then I have my jeans and just like random pants. I'm not showing my face because I look hideous, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys go add me on Snapchat, follow my Instagram, all my socials, like this video, and if you guys want to see more cleaning videos or organizing videos, then just let me know. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye!
It's not for me to say.